I recently turned a year older and I decided to go outside with my friends. This video would have a bit of what's happened on my birthday dinner and a random day in my life. Welcome back to my channel. Let's do this.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no.
And then when you finish, just pop it on the side, okay? So it doesn't like all the way over.
You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I'm to the right, why you tryna fight just
Cool, isn't it? Look at that. Hi everyone, it's a green vibe here today. My name is Juliet Uzor and you're welcome to my dirty car. Ignore me. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'll bring you along with me to spend the day with me really. I am doing quite a few things today and I thought, how about we take the people along with us? I am currently going to be doing some shopping and then I have to go and search for a nice vlogging camera, because the camera I'm currently using is my phone camera and my phone doesn't have that much memory, so it won't be able to take on so much, and I need something nice and light I can fit in my bag and I can take along with me and show you what I'm up to these days. So how are you doing? I would like to know in the comment section. It's been a long time since we really engaged and I really like to know how you're doing, what you're up to these days. Have you been doing lots of sewing? If so, what have you been making? If you've been crafting, I also would like to know. I'm in the UK and it's autumn. I can feel autumn in the air and I quite like this sort of season. I am wearing a wilder gown and I think I shared this here on the channel. This dress looks like a tent on me if I have it tied up like that, so I like to just tie a knot here and there and leave it open. That kind of makes me feel better in it. I mean, you've got to do what you've got to do to make yourself feel comfortable in your clothes. Anyway, enough about what I'm wearing. Let's
you wanna come around. Then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty.
I enjoy coming down to Waitrose because it's quicker, you get most things you want at a premium price. Really expensive. I don't come here all the time, but when I do come here I enjoy my experience. There's certain things that they stock here that I really like, that are of good quality, taste really good, and that's the only reason why I come here. I don't really come here for everything, but when I do come here I enjoy it. I mean, handing back my trolley, someone just came and collected it from me. Little things like that really do count. I guess that's part of the price you're paying, but yeah. Whatever.
let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
My storage isn't that great, but I am not used to Canon products. I am used to Lumix and Sony. I heard about the Canon though, the Canon G7X. I will still keep looking until I find it. And then I'll see if it's light enough for me. Canon G7X. It's super light and they've got £80 off of it. Wow, interesting. Sony. Ah, I recognize that. Is this not G7? I have this camera at home, but the lens are quite bulky and I need something super light for vlogging. Let's see. This is Sony what though? Sony. It's very light, very, very light. I've also been on the hunt for a very good pressing iron, and I know that in order to get a good iron you need one that's heavy. I wanted to get one of those ones that get hung up, the industrial ones, but I don't have the space for it, so I guess it's gonna be one of these ones. Oh dear, it's not so heavy. Oh, super light. Oh, this is heavy. This is heavy. I think this is, oh my gosh, this is super heavy. And there's no water in it. I like this. Ooh. This might be the one. Wait, let me just check something. This is heavy. This one is heavy. Morphe Richards. Heavy. It might be this or this. This is $59.99. This is $54.99. Was £70. Should I look online to see if it's cheaper online? Oh my god, I'm so excited about this one. It's called the Philips Uzor, and I definitely have to get one of those my Teflon covers to make sure that it doesn't scorch my fabrics. Okay, I'll be back. Geez, there's more expensive ones. Wow. But they're not so heavy. Oh, this is heavy. This is a Tefal one, and I currently use a Tefal one. Steam Shot 230s. These smart irons, I'm not so sure. Yeah, I'll save up for it. This one or this one. Yeah, I'll be back. Wait for me, guy. I'll be back. So getting the iron is not really a necessity. I mean, it would be nice to have one, but I have a working iron, so it's not a necessity. I'm just going to pop into Next.
Eventually.
I am done now, and I'm just gonna go home, otherwise I'll spend more money. Anyway, the guy at the till told me something that I think is very important, and I thought I'd share with everyone. He said on the 15th of October, the limit for is it contactless payment is going to go up to £100, which means that if a person's card is stolen, that means a person will be able to like spend up to £100 on the card by tapping and going. And he said he thinks connecting cards to a phone is better, because whoever it is that takes the phone would need your thumbprint or your face ID. I found that quite interesting, and I would like to know what you think about it. All of this new technology, and you know, it's just everything's just there's a bit too much, and it's just taking me a bit to process. I still don't have my cards hooked onto my phone. I don't know why, but I don't. So maybe now this might be the opportunity for me to do that. But I hardly move around with my cards anyway. I am a lot more cautious about spending money. But anyway, I'd like to know your thoughts about all of this, and I'm gonna go home. Yeah, I'm going home now. I'll go home and finish editing a video that I have made, and it'll be up on the channel before this video comes on the channel. I only got the basics, but what I got is exactly what we need. I'm gonna pack these away and I'm gonna get editing.
Don't listen to the hollow words. Don't fall into the hands. Don't follow any other path but your own. Don't need to live up to their demands.
I always struggle knowing at what point to put a voiceover, because I'm not the biggest fan of a voiceover. I like to see the person who's speaking. I just like to see people's facial expressions, their body language whilst they're speaking. So I always feel some type of way adding a voiceover, but just watching a video without and just music can make people tune off. So you have to just keep changing things, adding different elements. So I've tried to use text, I've got music, and at some point I've got myself speaking to the camera and showing my face. But then I have to add some voiceovers here and there. When I do voiceovers, this has got to be my longest video, my longest actual like sewing video. It's 29 minutes so far. I want to make it a bit shorter because sewing can get a bit, you've got to be a very an ardent follower or sewer to watch a video for that length of time. So anyway, I'll figure it out. I'm trying to tell a story. Thing is, I'm trying to shift from just showing, giving instructions, to showing the journey and telling a story of how something has gone from scratch to actually finished and made properly. People who I've spoken to face have said that they quite enjoy watching the videos that show a story and show the pitfalls, the successes, and any tips, tricks, and ways that I have combated any sort of situations or issues that I've faced. So I need to keep that going, but I'm just trying to make sure I strike a balance and not overdo it with the amount of time I have. Actually, do you know what? Let me know in the comment section if you like longer videos. When I say longer, obviously under 30 minutes. I would never share a video that's more than 30 minutes, even though I enjoy watching videos that are really long, because I like to have them in the background whilst I'm doing other things. Guys, I don't watch TV, I watch YouTube. I like to watch real life people. I like to watch, when I say real life people, everyone's a real life person, but I like to watch people's real life situations, real people going about their day, sharing their life, and it just entertains me. It keeps me intrigued, and yeah, I like it. So that's the reason why I want to go down this route and not just show only my sewing life. I want to show a bit more about myself, so you get to know me a bit better, right? Okay, I'm gonna stop talking.
It's right
So what I do is I record directly onto the software. Easy, but I just need to make sure I cut away the mistakes. Imagine having the mistakes in the actual video.
A few moments later.
Good news, it's been brought down all the way to 19 minutes. I've been able to shave off 10 minutes from it. So now we have a 19-minute sewing video. That's my dream time limit. I don't want to overdo it. Yes, so please watch this video. It's on the channel here, and I'll leave the link to this video in the description box below. Well, the video that I've just finished working on was sponsored by Prim. Can't believe that I'm having Prim sponsor a video that I've made, but I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, it's just things that I just can't believe are all happening at the same time, and it's yeah, I'm really grateful, really grateful. So now I'm waiting for the video to render, and then I'll upload it onto YouTube, and I'm going to use my phone to make a thumbnail for the video. I have folded the remnants from the remnants fabric. I folded it up, and I'm going to just take a photo of it as the before, and I'll show you the after photos. Let's do this.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight. Something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation. Make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind.
Okay, so we've come to the end of the day. It's nearly 8 o'clock this night, and I have here in the spare room all my clothes that I'm going to wear to work this week, and they're all clothes that I've made myself, and I'm going to be ironing them using my good old iron. You can see it's broken and it's been duct taped there. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna press them, and that will bring us to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you. You need to go to bed. Off you go. I hope to see you in my very next vlog, which will most probably be a sewing vlog, and then after that it will be another vlog of, you know, everyday life, and it might actually be a vlog showing the things that I wear, handmade things that I wear during the week. But thank you so much anyway. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone, and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and see you next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.